Hey everybody, it's Jim at Bullion RV in Duluth. Once again, I am sitting here in a extremely comfortable theater seat. As you know, you've clicked on the 2023 Imagine 2600 RB travel trailer, and we're starting on the inside today because there's some racket out in one of the 24 service bays here at Bullion RV. So we wanted to make a good first impression. This theater seat is probably the best part of this whole camper. It's got a lit up drink holder in case you lose your drink while you're sitting here. It's got 3-speed massage, and it's got heat. It's unbelievable. Can you feel that? Here, look at my face. You can tell it's getting warmer. So what a person could do is make a gin and tonic, turn that on, watch the Roku TV right there, watch a little Netflix, and go right to sleep. These are nice. This is a nice, big, airy, roomy, home-like camper. It's got the curved roof. It's got the light-colored floors. It feels very, very spacious. There's no heating ducts in these floors. This is a really, really nice rig. Big rear bathroom, that's what the RB stands for. Porcelain stool, giant bathroom sink, counter, rather, the sink is regular size, the counter is giant. The medicine cabinet is also giant, as is the shower. I'm the same height as Tell Sackett, 6 foot tall in my socks if I owned a pair. Looks like you could get by at about 6'4", 6'5" in here. Lots of room. Nice big shower. We're picking up some of the shop guys' Bluetooth music there. Works perfect, as you can see. I even knew how to do it. Lots of storage there. That's an AM FM radio that has clearly Bluetooth capabilities. Fuse is there. TV comes out, swing arm. Can aim it any which way you want. Very, very nice. Voluminous refrigerator freezer combo. Lots of room in there. And now, of course, I have to open it. There we go. As always, there's room in that freezer for a dozen butterscotch dilly bars and at least a limit of crappies. Limit of slab crappies in that one. 3-burner stove, oven. Big drawer, so big I can barely open it. Look at all the storage there. Incredible. Microwave, lots of counter space, big undermount stainless sink, the swinging, spraying faucet, which is very cool. Storage here, storage there. Nothing compared to that huge drawer though. This booth makes into a bed very easily. I did that earlier. Swings up and down pretty quickly. The bedroom has a spot for TV here, wired here. 80-inch bed, full-size, full-length queen. There's a little cubby on each side for devices including CPAPs. Reading lights here, hanging storage on either side. So nice little bedroom. Has a super fan, max fan vent there. So this is a beautiful rig. And we've got to show you the outside is what we got to do. Bullion RV has been here since the 1950s. They've been making great deals on great campers all that time. Solid steps, nice big grab handle, double axle. Get a view of this big beautiful rig. LED lights, giant awning, giant pass-through storage, biggest one in its class. That iconic Grand Design logo. Can you imagine? Painted front cap. Water mechanicals here. This has a heated and enclosed underbelly. They call it the Arctic package. Lights here for running your sewer stuff. Walkable roof. Ladder going up there. Tankless on-demand hot water. And again, it's the 2600 RB. You're not gonna find a better travel trailer. They don't make them. This is as good as it gets right here. If you're interested in this trailer, this camper, bring your family out, make some memories, give me a call, 218-336-3619. Again, my name is Jim. Good talking to you. I'll talk to you soon again, and thanks for watching.